who are here, our beloved delegates of NRM, you're almost welcome. I expressed interest and I was nominated for the second National Vice Chairperson, female. And I stand here to still affirm that I am still in the race for the second National Vice Chair. I also want to say this. I am not a SEC member. I am a visitor in SEC, a visitor to the president. I am not a SEC member, and I also want to bring this to you. The notion of saying Anita is new. Yes, I am new, but I come with new ideas and new vibrancy. The mobilization that I am doing for this party, I can have over 10 members of parliament here that I have brought from opposition to NRM, and here they are. And when we talk that this is for the people who have been in the party for long, we must move with the generation. I am a generational leader. I am here to mobilize for the party, and I am a very disciplined cadre of the party. And I can tell you, when Honorable Late Olanya stood and the SEC members approved Late Honorable Olanya for the position of the Speaker, the people who are saying they are old, senior, and respect the party walked out of the party and stood independent. Is that love for the party? I have been trusted and given a most top position of a Speaker of Parliament. That is an arm of government. A Speaker of Parliament who respects the party, who values the party NRM. As a Speaker of Parliament, I love my president. I love my party. I can never bring a motion of displeasure for my president. Never. And I want to request the chairman of the party that this matter must be resolved here today. Being new is not a crime. But we have people like Right Honorable Rugunda who are old in the party, but they have been appointees of the president. And I can assure you, you have an asset in Anita. I can assure you that with Anita, I am going to move around this whole country to mobilize for NRM. The position is for mobilization for the party. It is not for ring fencing. I am offering myself, and I want to ask the beloved delegates. You've tried me as a speaker, trust me as a SEC member. God bless you all.
Okay, now, okay.